Hello dear students, I Abhinav welcome you all in the faculty driven platform that is Resultant. I hope everyone is doing fantastic guys, and in this session we will be dealing with the new technologies that have been evolved in the civil engineering, especially in last 3 to 4 years. Civil engineering guys, the oldest branch among all the engineerings, and right now also guys, what is the basic or fundamental mistake that is done in many universities, and we can say in the competition exam as well, that the syllabus that we study in our 4 years, or especially after second year, third year and fourth year of BTech, is not very updated one. Okay, like, let me give you example. We are still dealing with the compass surveying and theodolite in surveying, and in most of the examinations, competition examinations, only these things are coming: compass, theodolite and all, leveling. But guys, nowadays you have often seen in the highways that the most of the work is done on total station, and now it is even more improved further. So guys, lot of things have been evolved, but still we are dealing with or studying the old thing. And of course, as the syllabus is same that, so in examination also, in the competition examination also, only those things are mostly asked. But still guys, in interview there is no defined syllabus. Okay, anything can be asked in the interview. So what are the things that these interview people are asking about the recent technology, that we will be doing in this session. Before I go forward guys, everyone on the comment box, please let me know audio video perfectly fine. Everyone please tell me on the comment section, audio video perfectly fine about the recent technology. Okay. Okay, Siam Babu, good evening. So those students who just joined me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. You can connect me on my mail ID abhinav@resultant.in, or my telegram group Civil by Abhinav sir, or my WhatsApp number. You can connect me here as well. Now guys, let me tell you, on 18th of August there is a HPCL exam. If you want to have the test series, you can have test series guys with rupees 399. One test series is of Resultant special, where each and every question is designed by the Resultant faculties, and one test series that is designed by the subject matter experts, toppers, with the help of faculties, that is the HPCL practitioners. So both of these you will be getting with the price of 399, and not only test series, we will be giving you the formula notes of all subjects. Okay, all subjects formula notes guys. If you want to enroll in Vision batch, the complete course batch, in 1 year program or 2 year program, you can enroll. This is the price for 1 year, this is the price for 2 years. Live plus recorded classes you will be getting there. Complete study notes will be there for each chapter, formula notes for each chapter, PYQs, previous year questions, complete test series, exactly like GATE platform, it will be there. Okay, so from 22nd of July the new batch is starting, where you will be getting each and everything. Now guys, if you want to connect me, this is my number and mail ID. You can connect me here as well for any query. Hi everyone guys. Now guys, let me tell you about the each and every technology one by one. So guys, the first one is the photogrammetry drones. Guys, if I talk about surveying or mapping or anything in 1960s or in 1940s, then mostly guys, whatever the map that have been made that time, they are all done by the manual process. First the offsets, the readings are taken in the field, the distances between the 2 points are taken in the field, the angles are taken in the field. Okay, in the survey notebook, in the field book, they take all the readings, and when they go home, after going home, of course the maps and plans are drawn. Now guys, the evolved technique, which a few part, not the complete part, but some part you study in photo, this also in your GATE syllabus also, engineering service syllabus also, is photogrammetry. Photogrammetry small part we study. Okay, so now what is done, that instead of taking the lens, angles, everything, we can take the photos. Of course there are some errors in photogrammetry, such as the scale of everything is different. There is prescriptive projection. In this prescriptive projection, guys, the scale will be different. Okay, and that if a point is made, relief displacement will be there. Okay, but still, if we want to do the fast calculations, or we can eliminate those errors later on, this is done in nowadays. Okay, now guys, this is one of the technique. Second technique is building information modeling, BIM. Okay, now guys, you have heard about the 2D model, 3D model, guys, but not 2D, 3D. Up to early 2000s also, we are making the 3D models for any prototype or whatever. But now, guys, we have evolved one step further. We have gone for the 4D modeling. We have gone for the 5D modeling. Okay, guys, here these are 3 dimensions. But what is 4D? What is 5D? 5D means the time and cost aspects. With the project, earlier we are doing 1 dimensions, 2 dimensions in a plan, in 3 dimensions. Now, guys, we have gone one step further, and we are making the 4th and 5th dimension also, the time and cost. Along with the project, you will not able to see only the length and width and the height, but along with that, you will be having models such that the time and cost are also related with each and every step. Good evening, Prince. Good evening, Kedari. Everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. So this has been evolved in the past few years. Now, guys, let us move to the next civil engineering technology, 3D printing. Have you heard about the 3D printing? Guys, earlier, before actually making a construction project, okay, if you want to make a model or a prototype, then what you do, you make it from the carpenter or whatever. But nowadays, there are certain technologies that directly, as you are earlier printing the 1D and 2D, now the 3D and models and prototypes are also printed. Okay, so this model can be directly printed in your screen, like earlier you are modeling 1D and 2D. Okay, so these technologies have been evolved, that I will say not civil engineer, but more than civil engineer, they have given the help to architectural engineers. Okay, so architect point of view, this has eased their work. Now, guys, robotics and automation. Now you might be thinking, sir, robotics and automation is helping in mechanical engineering. What is the help in civil engineering? Actually, guys, all engineerings are related to one another, na? So here, guys, bricklaying, equipment creation, all these things have improvised the work, reduced the error, and increased the precision and safety. Okay, so now instead of manpower or labor, okay, the huge robots are used to lift the heavy weights. Like you can say gantry girders are there to lifting the beam. Similarly, guys, robotics has helped us to load or to take the very heavy load. Suppose in the case of war, if a huge flyover has to be constructed, then guys, if you rely on the manpower, then guys, every human, even I have some limitations in terms of physical strength. So that bridge in case of war will take a lot of time to develop. In such cases, guys, of course, this facility is not with all countries, only with some developed countries. So robotics is used to lift and to transport the heavy masonry structures. Okay? Yes, Kedari. Now, green building technologies have been evolved, guys. Especially, guys, actually, earlier everything is fine. So why everyone is going for the green technology? There was no global warming in 1930s or 1850s, but now, due to large amount of deforestation and landslides and other things, the greenery and all these things have to be required to control the greenhouse effect and other thing, depletion of ozone layers. Now, guys, solar panels are used instead of electricity or hydropower plant. Okay, so that from the coal combustion or whatever, guys, whatever the heat is produced, that can be lowered. Okay, now guys, many people say electric vehicle is a solution. Electric vehicle is a solution for the global warming or heat generation. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni has said a very important, a very correct thing on this. Guys, how electric vehicle will be reducing the pollution? If the electricity in that electric vehicle is coming from a thermal power plant burning the coal. So guys, instead of fuel, you are using electricity and you are saying that your car is not wasting any fuel, but you're doing any pollution, but that pollution is done to maintain that electricity in the thermal power plant. Okay, so solar panel is a good example for generating it. Another is green buildings. Okay, so that we have a helping in the environment. And guys, HVAC, instead of installing ACs to each and every cabin, okay, some high voltage AC panels have introduced which will be doing the centralized cooling for the whole building. Okay, and suppose in building 10 ACs are required and one HVAC is required, so this will be producing less smoke, generating less pollution as compared to the equivalent 10 ACs. So this is what about the green building technologies that is helping for the environment. Okay, next technology is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Guys, AI is also used in the civil engineering projects, such as developing the roads, such as making the best or optimized transportation. Okay, suppose we have to construct the roads in a city, then there are lots of options available. Out of all those options, what is the best suitable option, or which road is most demanded, or which traffic, or which where the person are most going? All these things can be done with the artificial intelligence and that road is constructed which is most required for that city. Okay, now risk assessment in case of a bridge and all these risk reliability can also be better understood from machine learning. Now guys, earlier what happens, if you want to make a house, if you want to make a building, then mostly what you do, then you take all the raw materials in that place and start making the concrete there, start doing everything there, laying the bricks, cementing there, everything. But nowadays guys, there are prefabricated constructions. So in any other site the wall is constructed, in any other site the beam is constructed, and they are assembled at one place and the fixing is done and the complete structure is built. Okay, this wall is fabricated at some other site, the beam is fabricated at some other place, okay, the column is fabricated at some other place, and they have come here with the help of robotics or normal transportation, and they are fixed and the structure is made. So these are prefabricated construction or modular construction. Now guys, ITS, intelligent transportation system. In intelligent transportation system guys, with the help of internet, the connection has been made between the vehicles, between the vehicle and the pedestrian, between the vehicle and other places, such that guys, see, leave intelligent transportation, let me give you an example. Suppose at a place there is a red light for fixed time, 60 seconds. But suppose guys, there is huge traffic in that road. So red light time should be reduced and green time should be moved, na? But if someone has fixed the time of red light, then it will be always fixed irrespective of the number of vehicles. So these transportation system fix or regulate the traffic lights in such a way which is required. At the place where there are more vehicles, more green light. At the place where there are less vehicles, less green time for them. And this is just fixing or altering the cycle length of a signal is just one example. There are many other things, such that the maintaining the space headway between the two vehicles. There are various other things which this ITS is helping nowadays. Okay. Camera, sensors, everything. So guys, you can follow us on the Instagram or Instagram ID, and you can scan this and get this. Okay, download the app from the Play Store. These are our numbers guys. I hope you enjoyed the session guys. All the links are in the description box.